In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the June euro currency, which was higher early, but then fell back towards unchanged, finishing positive on the day, but not by much. The low today was 113.04, which was down 0.11%, and the high today was 114.11, which was up 0.84%. With a little bit of time left in the session, we've given up most of that move in the euro currency, but it's still positive by about 0.11% versus yesterday's settlement of 113.16. This is the first positive session for the euro in the last four, and since the almost 2-year high that happened on April 21st in the euro futures, the currency is down 2.45%. On a weekly basis, the currency finished its second consecutive week lower, dropping by 0.76%, but is still settling above its 200-week moving average. We had some significant Eurozone data overnight and into this morning, which included their manufacturing PMI for April, which beat expectations of 48.7, landing at 49, although that is still contraction territory. And EU year-over-year core and headline CPI were released, and the core came in at plus 2.7%, and the headline came in at plus 2.2%. Both higher than expected, and the core was also higher than last month's read. The unemployment rate did disappoint, but it came in at 6.2%, which matched last month's reading, but it was still slightly worse than expected. Expectations were for 6.1% and is still at record lows. This data pointed to a stronger euro currency, but the Goldilocks U.S. non-farm payrolls data pointed to a stronger dollar, which pushed the euro lower as the day went on. Non-farm payrolls in the U.S. came out at 177,000 jobs added, a full 39,000 more than expected, although last month's figure was revised lower. But also average hourly earnings were lower, and the unemployment rate stayed unchanged at 4.2%, while the labor force participation rate rose for the second consecutive month. This strengthened the dollar and weakened the euro in toward the close today.